Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how to deploy multiple versions of Python application to App Engine in GCP and split the traffic among the different versions of application. I have logged into my Google Cloud account and I am in the demo project. Now we need to create an App Engine. In one project we will be able to create only one App Engine. Search for App Engine. Click App Engine, click Create Application. First we need to select a region, so I'm going to leave it as the default US Central, and the identity and API access, I'm going to use the App Engine default service account, then click Next. It is creating the application. An application has been successfully created. An application can have multiple services. So we are going to deploy a service to this application. Now we are going to deploy a simple Python application to the App Engine. Already I have created the necessary files. Let's review them. First, let's review the app.yaml file. Here we have defined the Python version. So we want our application to be running with this Python version, that is a Python 3.11. Next, let's review the Python code. So this is a very simple Python application. When we invoke this application, it is going to return the hello world version 1. And then let's review the requirements.txt file, right? So this is equivalent to the package.json in the Node.js. Now let us deploy this application to the App Engine. gcloud app deploy, and we want to deploy this application as a version 1. If we don't specify a version, it will compute some version. So let's give the version as v1. So it gives all the information, which is the target project, target service, target version, and this is going to be the target URL, and this is the target service account being used. Provide the confirmation. Now it is deploying the service. Now the application has been successfully deployed. So we will be able to launch this application by either taking this URL, or you will be able to use the gcloud app browse command. gcloud app browse. So we could see our application is successfully deployed to App Engine and we are able to launch the application. So it is giving the result hello world v1. Now let us go and modify the application and deploy the new version of the application to the App Engine. So now we will just make the change. Now it should print hello world version 2. Save these changes. Now again let's do a app deploy. gcloud app deploy. We'll specify the version. It's v2, and then we will say as no promote, which means we want still the data to go to only the version 1. Provide y. Okay, now again let us launch the application. We could see still it is routed only to the version 1. Now let us ensure the traffic will be sent to the v2 version of the application. For that, let's do a gcloud app services set traffic. Then we need to give splits equal to v2 equal to 1. Enter. So it is asking the splitting the traffic by IP, and any versions of the specified service will receive 0 traffic because we have specified as 1. Okay, now setting the traffic split for the service. So again let's do the gcloud app browse. Could see now the version 2 version of the application is running, and all the traffic it goes only to that. Now let us see how we will be able to split the traffic between both the versions. So let us see the number of versions of the service is currently running. gcloud app versions list. Now we could see we have two versions of the service, default services running v1 and v2, and all the traffic is going to the v2. Okay, now let's do a split. We wanted to send 50% of the traffic to go to v1 and the 50% to v2. Okay, gcloud app services set traffic splits to v1 equal to 0.5 comma v2 equal to 0.5, and then we will do this based on the cookie so that we will be able to test it in some other browser. So I'm going to specify split by cookie. Enter. So now it gives the information. It is going to send 50% of the traffic to v1 and other 50% to v2, and the splitting traffic by cookie. Type Y and press enter. Okay, so now again let us launch the application and check gcloud app browse. We could see the traffic has gone to the version 1 of the application. Now let us try it in a different browser. We could see now the traffic is gone to the other version, that is the v2. In this demo we have seen how to create an app engine, and then how we'll be able to deploy multiple versions of a Python application to the app engine, and then how you can split the traffic among the multiple versions of the application. If you like this demo, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the demo.